How to fix Facebook Messenger, something went wrong. Open settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find every single app you have on your phone. So you have to wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Messenger. Click on it. Click on force stop to stop the app from running. And after that, go to the storage. Wait a few seconds, it will start computing the number of the data that you have. Or what you have to do then is click on clear cache and clear data. Go back, click on data usage. Now right here you have to enable all these four options. Go back and click on force stop. And then go to the home page. Open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and update. Don't forget to like, subscribe.